I love barbecues.
And no washing up.
And no washing up, exactly. Stick it on the barbie and that is that.
Today we are cooking Speedy BBQ chicken. Really simple recipe, but really delicious and also under 600 calories. Hi, I'm Mimi, Recipe Development Manager at HelloFresh, and I'm really excited to be cooking today with Nancy, one of the D360 coaches. So Nancy, for anyone that doesn't know what the D360 program is, can you talk us through it?
Yes, so I'm one of 4 D360 coaches, and on the program we help our members to achieve their weight goals, and we do this through live cooking sessions, workouts, mindset sessions where we talk to them about different techniques that they can adapt.
Great, let's get cooking.
All right, let's do this.
First of all, we are going to get our wedges on. So oven is on at 200. If you could chop them into wedge shapes.
I can do that. Nice and easy for me.
And no peeling because nobody's got time for that.
And you're not supposed to really peel potatoes,
Exactly.
really, are you? All the nutrients are situated right under the skin.
Exactly.
How do these look?
Perfect. Let's pop them on our baking tray.
Okay. Give it a good spread.
Yeah.
And it helps it get nice and crispy really quickly as well when they're all spread out.
Just gonna drizzle with a little bit of oil.
Lovely. And what oil is that we're using?
It's olive oil.
Now on the WW plan, we usually use a calorie controlled spray. If you are going to use olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, our members would have to add more smart points onto it.
Cool. And then a bit of salt and a bit of pepper.
Yes.
Nancy, would you mind doing a bit of prep for me?
I would love to. Thank you.
So if you could just trim the stalky bit off the beans,
okay,
and just halve and peel and thinly slice
okay,
shallot and grate the garlic.
Lovely.
Meanwhile, I'm going to cook the chicken before it goes in the oven to brown it. That is the noise you want.
I love the sound of a good sizzle.
Cook that for a few minutes each side, and then going to transfer it to the baking tray and just pop it in the oven with the potatoes.
Lovely.
We just need to make our barbecue sauce. It's barbecue sauce and honey and a little bit of water. It's basically just a sauce made of other sauces.
So that's going to make sticky and sweet as well.
Exactly.
As well as the smoky barbecue flavour.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to try that on the chicken. Here we go. Nice spread.
Nice. Little bit of salt and pepper. We kind of want them to pick up a bit of colour and get like a little bit charred, just for some extra flavour. I also love barbecuing vegetables.
I've been doing that a lot recently, and my WW members will know I've done a few lives barbecuing sides, barbecuing fish. It's been amazing. I love barbecues.
And no washing up.
And no washing up, exactly. Stick it on the barbie and that is that.
Do you want to put the shallot in?
Yes. This is going to add a nice sweetness to it as well.
Exactly. So we're just going to cook these for 3 to 4 minutes just to soften the shallot, then stir in the garlic for a minute or so, and then to save and washing up, we're going to reuse this pan for making the sauce all nice and sticky. So I'm going to put the beans in this bowl and cover with a little bit of tin foil.
Oh, that smells amazing. It smells so good.
Time for the barbecue sauce. Oh, that's looking really good, so I'm just going to remove that from the heat. And then we're going to get the chickie out.
They look perfect.
They look really good. Really nice and crispy. Pop the chicken in the sauce and then give it a really good bath in the barbecue mixture.
Let it swim in there, marinade.
Yeah.
Oh.
The chicken is now just going to rest for a bit in its lovely little sticky sauce.
It allows the flavours to all sink inside the meat as well, especially
all the juices
with the barbecue.
Redistribute. They are looking stunning.
Beautiful.
Really crispy. Oh my God.
Nice. I can't wait.
There we have it, speedy barbecue chicken, under 600 calories.
Very speedy, and it looks super delicious. Okay, let's tuck into this chicken. And remember, this is only 10 smart points on the green plan, 8 on the blue, and 3 on the purple. Delightful, so delicious. I'm going to get a taste of these green beans. Perfect, so nice. I love this.
So glad you enjoyed it, Nancy. And if you want to enjoy it too, then head to the HelloFresh website. All the WW recipes are signposted on there, so order them. The smart points are on the recipe card for the WW recipes. Easy, delicious, you're gonna really enjoy it.